Hello friends, in this tutorial we are going to see the complete content customization and management in Liferay. Okay, so we go back to our site administration console, and under content you can see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 categories. So Liferay itself provide this default content we can administer. We can administer a web content, or we can administer documents or media, or we can administer a blog. So like these are the list of contents which we can administer using the Liferay. Okay, now I will demonstrate you by adding each and every content. Okay, so first is a web content. Now we will add a web content. Okay, you can use either of these versions, 6.2.31. we will use this one. Okay, so the default structure and default template is selected. Okay, so web content is nothing but that text content which we see in the websites. Suppose if you go to my website, if you can see, if you go to my about me in my website, so this is actually a content. Okay, so this is actually content, and if you paste it here, and if you want to see the HTML source code, then just check the source button and you can see the HTML source code here, or else you can just paste your HTML source code here, and also if you uncheck it, you can see how it will look in the real time. Okay, so we are going to give it the title of this content as about me. Okay, you can also change the settings of this content, how it will be looking if it is an abstract form, short form. Okay, this is about Rehan Anar. Okay, if you want to use a small thumbnail image also you can, and if you want to categorize that content also you can categorize about Rehan web content, add. Okay, so this content will come under the tag about Rehan. Let it be a general or blogs, whatever you say. We'll take it as general web content. Okay, then schedule, you can also set the schedule date when it should be displayed and when it should be expired. Okay, since it is, we have checked the never expire, so this content will be there for the whole lifetime. Suppose if you like suppose in some website content will vary for each year. Okay, so that time you can just give an expire. So you see, as if you uncheck it, and you can set the time and date when it should get expired, and you can add a new content also. Okay, and similarly that never review option also, if you uncheck it, like you'll get a notification here that before on the day you'll get an email notification and also notification in admin page that you need to review this content. So there's like if you give these options. Okay, then next thing is display page. You can also set the like on which where should this content should be displayed. Defaultly, since we have created a the content page, it will get displayed in this content page. Okay, suppose if you want to select some other pages this content should be displayed, and so you can select that pages also. Suppose if you want to make this content to be displayed on this fruits page, then you need to add that web content display portlet or the asset portlet. It's telling right to make an existing page as a display page by adding asset publisher and configure it to be the default publisher for the page. Okay, so if you have configured the existing page, you can also do that also. And related assets also you can select. Content can be wiki page also. Okay, so let it be a wiki page. You can also set the permission who should visit, who can able to see this content. Suppose in a website there are a lot of content is there, but manager should be able to see some contents, and the employee should be seeing some other contents. So that kind of permission you can see. Like this is a common content, so I have given as any members can see. Suppose if you are giving site members or like that, site members, or if you see, if you give owner, and also you can also add other groups also, we will be seeing in the user groups. Okay, so right now we are giving anyone. Okay, and the custom fields, we'll discuss this later. Okay, so we have made all the modifications. Now we are going to publish the content. Okay, something we haven't done yet properly. Please enter a small okay, the image size is not should not be more than 15K. Okay, we are not going to use a small image. Now we will publish it. Okay, now this about me content is added. Okay, now if you want to add this content, now we will go back to our home page. Okay, now if you want to add this content, you can just click on add, and under the content tab you can see a new content is added, which is about me, and you can see a summary. In summary, it is the about Rehan web content. This is about Rehan Hanar, which we have given in the summary. Okay, so all the information is displaying here. Now we are going to add this content here. As you can see, under the web content display portlet, the content is getting displayed here. Okay, so this is how you will add a web content. Now we are going back to the administration, site administration. Now we will see how we will administer the documents and media content. Now if you want to add images, documents and those things and all, you can just straight away drag and drop. Now I am going to drag and drop this Liferay to this website. You can just drag and drop like this. Okay, if you have drag and drop, the content will get uploaded and it will be available. Okay, so if you go back, so you add a new asset publisher. Basically this asset publisher used to display the contents of the website. Okay, see, you can see that the Liferay notes is available here. Okay, you can also customize this portlet to view only the text files or only this Liferay notes document. Similarly, if you wanted to add an image, you can just simply drag and drop. I'm going to add this image, and just simply drag and drop like this. Now the image also will get added, and if you go back now and if you scroll down, you can see that the image is also available here. So this way you can add the contents of our page. Okay, contents like files, images, and even videos also you can add. Okay, so here the site navigation, you can find the recent, mine. These are the contents which we have uploaded it. So these are the contents which is provided by Liferay itself, the sample data. Okay, and browse by type. You can also set what type of content it should be. So if you give edit, if you select this content, you can also change the description for this content. You can also set a thumbnail image for this content. You can also change the document type of this content. Suppose we'll change it to online category, online training type. We will set it to enterprise edition, version, administration, installation, level, intermediate, lesson, title, Liferay, author, categorization also you can give, home page, icon. Okay, and related assets also you can select. In wiki page, this is actually a sample page, you can just choose it. So the related assets, and see publish. So if you want to browse by type, your site on an online category, so this home page will come under it. Similarly, you can see you can change the details of other contents also. We're going to edit. Okay, marketing banner also you can change. You can change this type to marketing banner. So based on marketing banner, you'll get some more extra options based on marketing. So it's like that. Okay, you can also add your own structure also, which I will tell you in the upcoming tutorials. Okay, so this is how you will add content, media content and documents to Liferay. And also if you want to move this content across various folders also, you can do. So actually, since there is no new folder, you can add a folder, documents folder, you say choose and move it. So we have moved that this image to the document folder. Come back, we come up. You can also move it like this also. This is also is possible. Move. Okay, so I'm just telling how we can manage the contents generally. Okay, and also you can set permission, who needs to view this content, who can use this content, who can update this content, who can delete this content. But as default, the administrator, the owner, will have all the permission. You can also change who and all should not able to delete the content and all also. Okay, so that's all about the documents and media customization. The next tutorial we will see the other content customization. See you guys in the next tutorial. Bye bye.